let's give a little update on this piece of junk. Been doing some work on it. Just had to take the transmission out after 10 months of abuse for an issue that made absolutely no sense, but got that squared away. Changed the brakes up. The brakes are really, yeah, I can't even turn the wheel. They're braking when they're not supposed to be braking. That's how good these brakes are. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna have to address that. Gonna change that up. I put some, let's see if we can see in here. Right, you can't really see it. Some PRB calipers, P something, off of like a 2000 Mustang. They're supposed to be an upgrade. Yeah. Now the brakes absolutely suck. Got a new master cylinder right there. Gonna try that one out. A little bit bigger bore size for the piston. But yeah, trans has been out. Lost, didn't even really lose reverse. It just didn't want to go into reverse. And the trans brake didn't want to hold in first gear that well. So, had to figure out what the deal was. Thought it was just the switch for my trans brake, but that wasn't it. Come to find out, it was the transmission that I built a couple years ago, and then it sat until I finished this thing, and then anyways, it's been in here 10 months, absolutely abused. It still looked brand new internally. And all the clutches, none of the clutches or steel showed any signs of heat or any of that. But yeah, here's where we are. I've also been working on making it look a little bit more a street car. Look at that mint dash that doesn't match the car. Dash pad, absolutely mint. Nothing but the best. Had to move the shifter back a little bit. And yeah, you know, quality, top notch. Yeah, that's what we've been doing. Big dog, easy. All right, we got first gear. Uh-oh, let's see what's about to happen. We got trans brake. Oh. Oh, we have got trans braking first. Oh. Oh, she went in reverse mode. Yeah. Yeah, now let's move this piece of junk out of the shop. All right. Yeah. I think we might have a toe problem. Maybe. Here at the Best Guest Garage, we like to bring all of your wildest fantasies, all of your dreams to reality. We deal with the abused, neglected, unwanted, difficult to work on, and bring them back to life. We ready, we ready. I don't know if we're really ready. We're Gonna try to run this unit on some hard tires. Taking it to the track today, boys. All right, this thing's been together a little while now. Been to the track numerous times. Tons of people been around it. Tires on and off. All right, you see this front wheel? See how it's made? Tell me if you see a difference. I got 2 different front wheels on this thing. How did nobody? That's insane. Like, how has nobody noticed that, including myself? Look.